Okay, so why is pro theory more accurate than all other theories that have ever been invented so far, that I've ever seen or heard about or read about, whatever? Why is it that pro theory is better, these three potentials? Why is this so accurate? Okay? Right, and the problem with all other theories is they assume the existence of humans fundamentally to exist, for the theory to exist, the ideas to exist, the concepts within the theories, they all assume the existence of humans. That might sound ridiculous. Well, you know, of course humans exist. Yes, they do currently, but if, hypothetically speaking, I don't know, there's a nuclear wipeout or something, or the planet Earth just disintegrated, there was no other conscious life in the universe or in our part of the universe, whatever it is, would there still be string theory, the speed of light, gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces? Would there be atoms? People say, well, of course they would. But can you prove that singularly? Can you prove beyond doubt, beyond discussion, without letting me get any way in here with my opposites argument in neutral, can you prove singularly that that's true, that gravity is still going to be an attractive force called gravity, for example? How can you call it gravity if there's no one here, for example? Flat string theory claims to be a theory of everything, right? I'm not putting this down, this is higher thought. I'm not talking emotions and feelings and stuff here, I'm talking about this is the truth, you know, intellectually speaking. I hope that people watching this will understand the point that I'm trying to make here. This is pure thought, it's not ego or something, right? This is literal truth, okay? Anyway, string theory, okay? The universe is made of tiny little strings, vibrating, that's supposed to be, even the vibration is too specific anyway, but the string theory, like I say, the universe is a load of strings, that's too specific. The reason is, if there was no consciousness or human consciousness, how can we say it's a string? How does someone know what a string is, what a string looks like? Is there the ability to look at something? Because there isn't anything there. In theory, if there's nothing there, how can that answer everything? Because everything should mean, a theory of everything should literally never fail, ever. It should be able to answer everything and nothing and neutral at the same time, at all times, forever. So, whatever forever means, you know what I mean? Ad infinitum, forever and on and on. Okay? So like I say, string, you call it a string, but what about the opposite to a string, or neutral, you see? And if there's no consciousness, basically you can't have any strings, can we? Pretty much. I mean, and it comes down to it, the theoretical possibility is, you could have strings, you could not have strings, plus neutral. That's the most accurate thing we can possibly say, because everything means everything. Everything means the existence of humans, yes, as currently string theory stands up, so to speak, because humans exist to make strings and create strings and imagine strings, you see, at the moment, just for example. And gravity as well, people imagine gravity and they understand gravity and they know what the word means. But, to make a theory of everything, then surely we've got to be able to explain through this super theory, okay, what would happen even if there wasn't any consciousness here, if there wasn't any consciousness or anything. We've got to account for every single possibility, or not possibility, that there might possibly ever be, if you see what I'm saying. So it's no good saying, you know, making all these complicated theories and stuff. They're really interesting and stuff, and they're great ways to explore the topic, but they're not a theory of everything. Because anything that states something singular is missing two opposite potentials. Simple as. So, if you say the universe is made of strings, then that leaves me the opposite to say the universe is not made of strings plus neutral. Annoying as it is, this is pure thought. This is as far as you can go with this. You know what I mean? We've got to be able to explain everything at once, all the time, with no exceptions. No, it's got to work even if there's no consciousness or humans or anything. It's still got to work. The theory of everything, the true theory of everything, it's just got to be negative, positive, neutral potentials simultaneously. So if there's no humans here, is the string theory, for example, there isn't plus neutral. The most accurate answers we can give, assuming there's no existence of humans. It's the same if there is the existence of humans. We can say, well, there is strings, there's not strings, plus neutral, simultaneously, still. And it's the same with gravity. gravity is thought to be an attractive force and all these theories about it and stuff, and relativity, the speed of light and stuff. Okay? Is the speed of light still constant and fundamental if there's no humans here? How can we possibly answer that one? You see? If there's no, would there be any light, so to speak? What is light? You know, what does the word mean? Is it a word? All these weird questions, okay? Comes down to 3 potentials, to be accurate. The most accurate you can be is 3 potentials, like I say. If there's no humans here, it's the opposite of humans being here. If there's humans here and not here simultaneously, it's neutral, you see. And it's really, 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 really simple. You can't assume the existence of humans in a theory of everything and call it names. You can't name things in the same way that string theory does, or relativity does, or even quantum mechanics for that matter, really. You've just got to take into account 3 possible potentials at all times, and that's the way to make a theory of everything, which also includes a theory of nothing plus neutral within that description of everything. That's what I mean when I say the word everything. And that's the problem with these theories, you see. They all assume the assumption of human existence. That's the thing. And as soon as you take that assumption away, the ability for human existence, there's no strings anymore, is there? There's no fundamental vibrations of matter. There's no conservation of energy laws. There's no gravitational force. You know, so we need to explain what might happen even if there weren't humans here. I know this is a bit rambling, but I mean, I'm just trying to. While I feel like making any videos at all today, I'm just trying to get this out there still. You know, trying to talk about it and stuff, and I'm really enjoying it, to be honest. It's great because now I've said that I'm not a professional, I feel loads more relaxed. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just like, yeah, this is it. So, you know, thanks very much for watching as usual and stuff like, and that's it for now.